Hello everyone, this is Amritpal Singh. Welcome to the next video. Guys, in this video, I'll be talking about Bayes theorem. The Bayes theorem, actually, it will be serving the base for the Naive Bayes theorem, and further we'll be implementing the Naive Bayes in RStudio. So it is a three-part video. In the first part, I'll be talking about Bayes theorem. In next part, I'll be talking about Naive Bayes theorem. And third part, I'll be showing you how we can implement the Naive Bayes in RStudio or R language, right? Let's get started. To understand this Bayes theorem, we have a concept available. It's called conditional probability. We all have studied the concept of probability in our schools, right? In our lower school mathematics, right? It's almost a similar concept. So how we can find this? So this written here, P means probability, A and B both are the events. So the vertical bar meaning is it's given. So here this vertical bar meaning is given. So it means what's the probability of A occurring some event B, right? Means what is the probability of A occurring given some B. B is a event. So how we can find? We can find with the help of this P A intersection B divided by PB. So it can be shown here in the Venn diagram as well. We have a two events available, probability of A, probability of B, right? It's showing this intersection, overlapping portion, it's the intersection. This is what we have to find, right? So let's take one example which I have taken just for your understanding. Let's suppose we have a percentage of adults who are men and alcoholics is 2.25%, right? We have already given this this one. Means we have a two things available, A and B. A in this case is alcoholic, B is a man. So we have already given this P intersection B, which is the 0. If we convert this percentage into the decimals, it will be 0.0225, which is already given. So what is the probability of being an alcoholic given a man? So given means vertical bar. So in this case, how we can find this? We can find with the help of this little formula. Like here, A equal to alcoholic, B equal to man. So we have already given P. A intersection B, it is 0.0225. So the probability of, let's suppose, of man, in this case we can say it's 50%. So we can easily find this 0.0225 divided by 0.5, it is 0.045. This is how we can find the conditional probability, because conditional probability will further be used in the Bayes theorem. So right, that's the reason first I explained the meaning of conditional probability. Now let's come to the Bayes theorem part, right? So let's suppose if we can flip up the things, like let's suppose instead of A, if we have a B, and instead of B we have a A. So what will happen? This is what will happen. So it is, if we say P B given A, right? It will be P B intersection A. Obviously this P B intersection A or A intersection B both will be same, right? So in this case I have already written here the numerator is the same in both cases. So we can say A intersection B or B intersection B A hardly make any difference. So we can easily derive from here the formula of Bayes theorem. The formula of Bayes theorem is if we can, let's suppose we are finding P A given B equal to B given A, probability of A divided by probability of B. So in this case A and B are the two events, right? This is how we can find the how we can find using this using the formula of Bayes theorem. Let's talk about little example to help you understand, then it will be done from my side in this video. So let's take one simple example. What is the probability of two girls given at least one girl, right? Let's suppose we have to find what's the probability there will be a two girls. We already know at least there is a one girl available, right? There's a one girl, right? So how we can find? In this case, let's put this into a formula P. So we have written here two girls. Two girls will be serving as A in this case, and at least one girl will be serving as this part, right? P B part, right? So P two girls vertical bar given at least one girl. So let's put in a Bayes theorem formula. P 1G meaning is one girl, vertical bar two girl into P of two girls divided by P of one girl. So let's suppose, like, we have to find now how we can find this probability of one girl given two girls. Obviously it will be 100%. Probability of one girl given there are two girls, at least, because we already know that at least there's a one girl there. So probability of 1G given 2G, it will be obviously 100%. So we can write it 100% with the 1. And how we can find P of this two girls? So we know this basic probability or permutation combinations. There will be four combinations: a girl, because we have a two child, right? Girl, boy, boy, girl, and boy, boy. So it means we have a probability only 1, means 1 divided by 4, which is 25%, right? And divided by P of one girl. One girl means you can see in the three cases we have one girl available. So it is 0.75. So obviously the answer will be 1 into 0.25 divided by 0.75, which turned out to be 0.33, right? This is how the Bayes theorem works. Although we have to work in programming language, but the thing is that we must know how it works behind the scenes, right? So this is a part 1 video in which I have explained what is Bayes theorem. In next part I'll be talking about the naive Bayes, and the last part will be the implementation part. So right guys, so thanks for watching guys, see you in next video.